For those of you who are not sure how to do split screen, it looks like this. You have to have both apps open that you're going to use, okay, or both tabs in different windows. That's really important, different windows. So for me, that is this app because I want you to see my notes, and that is also this article, okay? So I'm actually going to pull this article right out of here so that it's in its own window, okay? And then I'm going to long press here, okay, and that green dot, and you'll see how the left side of my screen became blue. So I'm going to drag that there, and then on the right side, I choose which app or window I want it to be, and it's going to be this one. Oops, my arm's in the way. Okay, so now you can see both my notes here and what I'm reading here. Okay, so in your case, if you're doing it digitally, you're going to have notes here and screen there. Everyone should have this article in front of them. Whether you're doing your notes digitally or not, everyone's reading from the same article. What's the topic I'm trying to learn about? Screen time in children, or screen time and its effects on children. Okay? Okay, so in this version of Cornell Notes, as you know, we start over here. We start with the details. This is where I'm writing any details that I pick up from what I'm reading, any sketches I want to make, vocabulary. Okay, so right now together we're going to read these first. We're just going to do 3 paragraphs at a time. Okay, so can you please read those first 3 paragraphs to yourself, your copy of the article, and then in your notes write down some of the details that are coming out in yours. If you get a little bit lost, you can look up at the screen and see what my details are. Okay, so remember, I'm looking at details and just those first 3 paragraphs, and you're doing this at the same time as me. Okay, I'm going to pause here. So after you've completed the first 3 paragraphs, you might want to just see if your notes look like mine. Okay, so the details I have is that there's no strong evidence that screen time is bad. Time spent on devices is a big debate. The UK Culture Secretary told parents to set boundaries. He says there are serious risks, mental health issues, parent instinct to protect children. So those are the details in those first 3 paragraphs. Do yours look similar? If not, add a few details, please. Okay, we ready to move on to the next set of paragraphs? Okay, I'm going to move on to these 3 paragraphs in the same week, starting there. In the same week. Yep, if you need to look up every once in a while to check mine, then do that. So try it yourself and then look back up at mine, see where I'm at. Okay, so I'm pausing here. So in these 3 paragraphs, I've noticed details about primary schools in Australia warming against Fortnite, saying there's a change of behavior. In France, students are banned on school grounds from using mobiles. And experts, though, are warning caution against all of this. They're saying policy shouldn't be informed by panic. This expert here, Andy I can't say his name, Przybilski, this Oxford Institute says the studies are weak. The majority of them are based on surveys and only one snapshot in time. Okay, so now I'm going to do 3 more paragraphs and then I'm going to stop because I'm running out of space mostly. Okay, so the new things that I have noticed, the expert says that the studies are weak. The majority of them are based on surveys and they're only one snapshot in time. The correlation goes away once you consider the background. That part's very messy. They're very small correlations. 99% of well-being has nothing to do with screens. And he also says, that's why my arrows are here, he also says new good studies that show the effects are few and far between. Okay, so I've got a bunch of stuff here in my details, but now I need to go back, and I don't have any sketches, but I might have if this article was the type that lended itself to that. But I am going to highlight some vocabulary here. So, correlation comes up a couple times, and I might not be clear on what that means. Well-being, wonder how they're defining well-being. That's pretty much it for vocabulary. So now I've done step 1. Okay, now I'm going to go over to step 2, which is now I'm looking for big ideas, key points that are emerging from all of this detail here. Okay, so I've got a lot of detail, some of the key points that are emerging here. So at this point, I'm going to get out of split screen and just show you this. Okay, so now I'm looking at all my details and I'm trying to figure out what the big ideas and the key points are. Okay, so here, there's twice that it's mentioned that the evidence isn't strong that screen time is bad. So I think, so that's mentioned here, and it's mentioned, whoops, you can't really see that part of my screen. It's mentioned down here. So I'm going to put that as one of my key ideas. So no clear evidence that screen time is bad. So that's here and here. What's another big point here? So it seems like the UK, Australia, France, so countries are trying to regulate it. to protect children. So that's definitely one big thing that came out here. And then the last thing I might say is that experts think more evidence is needed. I'm just looking now more specifically down here about the experts' warnings, this big section down here about the correlations. Experts think more evidence is necessary because current evidence shows weak correlation. So I've got 3 big points here. So that one, that one, that one. What you've just seen me do is a really key step. Okay? How to go from the details to the big ideas. Super key. Okay? Now I'm ready for step 3. Okay, which is a summary of my understanding. But to get to this, I have to look at these key ideas here. So I'm going to read over just these. So now I'm not even looking at the other side of the page. I'm really just looking here. Okay? I might look at the other side of the page if one of my big ideas isn't very clear. But I'm seeing, okay, no clear evidence that screen time is bad. Countries are trying to regulate screen time to protect children. Experts think more evidence is necessary because current evidence shows weak correlation. Okay, so my summary of this is that there seems to be panic about screen time for kids, even though there is little evidence that it's bad. Perhaps we are over-regulating screen time. That's just kind of a question I have. Experts say we need more evidence. Okay, so when I'm writing that, I'm looking at these. Okay, I'm looking at these. And I'm summarizing what I understand about those big ideas, those big points. Do you see how I did that? Are you trying to do that too? Is it okay to put your opinion inside the summary? And the answer is no. Okay? This is the summary of what you've read. Your opinion can just stay in your brain. Okay? Maybe it goes on a little sticky note somewhere outside of this. Okay? But it's not part of the summary because your opinion is not what the article is about. Right? You're summarizing, you're trying to learn about the topic. You can have opinions about the topic, but this is a little bit separate. So you can put questions in the details, and you can put questions in the summary. So a question that you have about the content. So that's a question I have about the content. Okay? But the questions should not be in here. Okay?